The Nigerian real estate industry has got so dirty that in every 100 real estate transactions, 20 people got scammed. And that's a big backlash on the industry because it's giving it a bad impression. Imagine after working so hard to gather your money, I'm talking of millions right here, and you end up losing everything to the scammers. Hundreds of people have gone into coma all because of this, and this has to come to an end. Hi, I am Aladipo Suleiman. I'm a professional real estate consultant with over 7 years experience and a digital marketer for brands. I have good news for you today. I'm so excited to let you know that real estate scam can be avoided. And that if you are willing to listen to this video for you to find out how you can avoid real estate scam. The only possible way to avoid real estate scam is by guiding you through how to navigate the Nigerian real estate industry for you to make the right decision. And at the same time, we can both come together as one, trying to achieve the same goal, which is more easier, less stressful, and risk free. Tell me why you have to lose millions of naira or dollars to the scammers, or because you are trying to invest into real estate, or you are trying to own a property when you can just book a 30 minutes free consultation with me right now that the opportunity is available for the limited time. Join me, let's discuss what's stopping you from investing into real estate or the challenges you are facing when it comes to real estate. Avoiding real estate scam is quite easy, as I have said earlier. You can also go on YouTube and watch a lot of amazing content that I have put out there for you on how to avoid real estate scam, how to get your C of O, and a lot of real estate opportunities. Click on the link below right now or anywhere you can see that, and I will be glad to help you out.